Hello again, I'm Rodney Reynolds and welcome to another video review. Today I'm looking at the Raidmax Icecube small form factor case. This type of mini chassis is best known as a small form factor case, and it's used primarily for LAN parties since it's so transportable. These small form factor cases are also a popular option for a home theater PC setup. At the front there's two 5 1/4 inch drive bays with universal optical drive bay covers, one 3 1/2 inch drive bay, and at the bottom there are two USB ports, a microphone jack, headphone jack, firewire port, power button, reset button, hard drive activity LED, and power LED. The left side and the right side doesn't have any ventilation holes, windows, or fans. The top also does not have any ventilation holes, windows, or fans. At the back is where a standard ATX power supply and I/O shield plate gets installed. They include a 120mm exhaust fan, two holes for water cooling systems tubes to pass through, and 4 expansion slots. There are also two thumb screws on each panel, two on the top panel, two on the right panel, and two on the left panel. This just makes it easy for you to remove or install those panels. Taking off the top panel is very easy. First, remove the two thumb screws at the back and just lift the cover up and pull it off. The left side panel can be very easily removed. First, take out the two thumb screws at the back and just lift the panel off. And the same goes for the right side panel. While this is a small form factor case and it only fits a micro ATX motherboard, there is a fair amount of room to work on the inside because of the open design. And thankfully, the motherboard tray is removable, which makes installing or removing computer parts simple. There are two removable hard drive cages, and two hard drives can be installed in each for a total of 4 hard drives, which is excellent for a small form factor case. And also note that there's rubber in each hard drive bay which will absorb any vibrations. There's a power supply bracket at the back. This is what the power supply rests on when it's installed. Each one of the hard drive cages has a rubber mounting system against the case, and again, this is to prevent any vibrations. There are ventilation holes at the front of the case, but unfortunately the front bezel, which doesn't have any ventilation holes, covers them up. At the bottom there are 4 soft rubber feet which have excellent anti-vibration properties and won't scratch the surface. Finally, have a listen to the stock cooling. If you're in the market for an inexpensive small form factor case that really has some good looks, is all aluminum, has a 120mm fan, has a couple of holes for water cooling systems tubes to pass through, a removable motherboard tray, and lots of drive bays, definitely check this product out. But it does have a few issues. The power supply bracket is flimsy. Also, the motherboard tray is extremely flimsy. And also, I'm a little concerned about air circulation in this case because there's no intakes at the front, top, or sides. Now, although there is a 120mm fan at the back. But overall, this is a great product. Until next time, take care.